Hi everybody, you are watching Vitorials. My name is Alex, and in this tutorial I'm gonna explain you how to use the actions in Adobe Illustrator in my example of Adobe Isometric Grid Pro, and also I will show you how to fix some of the issues that you might face using these actions. But first of all, I want to explain you what is the Isometric Grid Pro. Isometric Grid Pro is the set of functions that allows you to create and deploy the isometric grid within the seconds, just one click. So let me show you how it works. This is the 30 pixels grid, and this is the 20 pixels grid. This grid based on guides, so you will never miss the points. Guides have the snapping options in Adobe Illustrator. When you download the actions in from the vitorials.net, particularly Isometric Grid, you need to save the zip archive and then unzip the action. You will see this particular action, one click Isometric Grid Pro. Then you need to load the panel by going to the Windows Actions. From this panel, head over to the top right corner, of course, and bring up the drop down. Head over then to the Load Actions with the ellipses, and then you will see the folder with the 7 action. And if you are using the Isometric Grid Lite, the free that you can download for free from vitorials.net, you will see the only one action in the folder. You need to select the action in order to load the grid and click the play button. If you want to place the action permanently on this action panel, so they will be present anytime you launch Adobe Illustrator, you need to go to the Adobe Illustrator folder into the programs file. So let me show you both of them. So this one is the program files first under my disk C, then Adobe Illustrator, then presets, the folder called presets in US, and then go to the actions and just place this one click Isometric Grid Pro action. Let's go further. So you are not seeing anything when you are running the action here in Adobe Illustrator. You need to go and fix your guides. Go to the guides and show guides, or use the control semicolon or command semicolon on your Mac. Then if you cannot align the guides, there are two probable issues. First, to grab the rectangle tool and go to this alignment options here between the aligning icon and this recolor artwork tool. Bring up the drop down and select align to artboard. This is very important, align to artboard. Second one, go to the view, guides, and unlock the guides. Make sure that your guides are not locked. So your guides are supposed to be first visible, second unlocked. If you have any questions, please put them in the comment form below or in the comments under the product or the my free Isometric Grid Lite. And don't forget to check vitorials.net for more Adobe Illustrator tutorials, and as well as my new product that allows you to create easily the needed design here in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching. Enjoy your day.